Are you a man tired of feeling lost in dating, confused by women, and stuck in a cycle of rejection or resentment? Whether you've just been ghosted again, are trapped in a sexist relationship, or simply know you're capable of more, that's exactly what we solve inside Chaser to Chooser. This isn't pickup tricks, therapy talk, or fake alpha bravado. This is a place for men ready to understand interpersonal dynamics, master true attraction, and build a clarity and character that make women chase you, not the other way around. My name is Bruce Da Silva, and over the last few years, I've coached men across the world on dating, power, and self-mastery, helping them evolve from needy, confused chasers into grounded, magnetic choosers. But trust me, it wasn't always this way. I used to be in the exact position you're in, doubting myself, confused about what women wanted, feeling like I had no edge, no leverage, just a nice guy with a decent heart and no results. If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Inside the Chaser to Chooser community, you will learn Dating Psychology 101, why what you've been told about attraction is dead wrong and what actually compels a woman to choose you. Masculine frame and energy, how to stop performing and start radiating real grounded confidence. Pick up for the modern man, high integrity methods to spark interest and flirt with ease without being a weirdo. And relationship mastery, how to lead in love, handle conflict, and maintain polarity so desire doesn't die. Lastly is inner work, where we shift the beliefs, trauma, and mental blocks that keep you stuck in weak, reactive patterns. But here's the real difference. This isn't a course you consume and forget. This is a live dojo, a community of men getting sharper, stronger, and more respected together. You'll get weekly live trainings, Q&A, step-by-step transformation roadmap, challenges to implement what you learn, feedback on your sticking points, even screenshots and text too, and a tribe of ambitious, truth-seeking men who hold each other accountable. And if you think this is just theory, think again. One member went from 3 years single to dating a woman he once thought was out of his league in 6 weeks. Another ended a toxic situationship, reclaimed his dignity, and within a month was leading conversations like a man who owns his reality. Another stopped chasing, started choosing, and now gets approached instead of constantly pursuing. None of them were naturals, they just follow the system. Here's the deal. This entire system, the trainings, community, live calls, breakdowns, and direct feedback is valued at over $3,000. But right now, you can join for just $49 a month or save over 30% with the annual plan at $399. And to make it a no-brainer, if you don't see results, meaning more confidence, more attraction, more power, within the first 30 days, I'll refund you. No questions asked, no hard feelings. Why? Because I'm not here to sell you. I'm here to build men who lead, love, and live with clarity. See you inside.